Hello again from Austria. Actually, I doing the vacation, but I decided to record the video anyway. And so today we will talk about two things that could kill the good developer or the good engineer. And the first thing, actually, it's let's write the code, because the engineers should write the code all the time. And the bias to action. The bias to action is a big problem, because we're so keen to jump and write the code immediately, because it's something that we do quite well and understand well and feel better if we write a lot of code every day. But the best code, I believe in this, that the best code that is a code that was never written, or the code that was deleted, because less code, less bugs, and so on. But unfortunately, we not always could just do it without the code. So we need to write some code, unfortunately. So the big problem is the bias to action that actually encouraged by the management, because management wants to make things done and so on. And some old companies even try to measure the lines of code that you wrote. I hope that you're not working in such company. If so, just write me the letter. We will find a better job for you. Another problem, it's opposite to the bias to action, is the analysis paralysis. So it makes sense to sit and think before you will start doing something. I love to spend some time on research. I love to spend some time on SWOT, write maybe architecture decision records, discuss with the team how we should solve this problem, how the code should look like, and all other stuff. But the opposite to the bias to action is the analysis paralysis, when you're thinking so much that you're not able to take the decision anymore, and you want more data, more time, more research. And we usually in between of these two states. And the good thing that the analysis stage, you could time box. And it could help you a lot. And it's for sure the good thing to think about, not about the code, because yet another big problem for the engineers, that they hyper focused on the technology, they hyper focus on the code, the beauty of it, the maintainability of it. The big problem, if you have the imaginary scale and you try to refactor the code to be the performant, oh my god. But another thing that the good engineers should do, they should think not about the code, they should think about the solution, about the business, about the users, about the company revenue. And the more higher you go in a hierarchy of engineering, maybe you're thinking about taking the position from the senior to the staff engineer, the more you will think not about the code and even not about the architecture. You will think about the business, the day-to-day life of your users, and how you could make company and user experience better. So try to avoid the bias to action. Don't jump and solve the problem immediately. Spend some time on research, but time box your research, and don't go to the analysis paralysis hell. That was all that I was keen to share with you, and right now we go into the mountains. So see you next time in Berlin. Tschüss.